Today I need to do a little maintenance on my palm sander. It's a Makita palm sander. I've had it for quite a while. Didn't even really notice it. And the thing is, you don't notice these things until after they just become really bad. What I need to do is replace the sanding deck on it. I'm not sure if that's what you call it or not. You should be able to see, reach up through here, how it's beveled at the edges and just tattered and worn, which would affect your sanding surface. So what I've done, I ordered plates for this, and I'm looking at about $12 for $12 for the two of them, and they came from Tool Mart in Vista, California. They came packaged fairly good. It's a bubble wrap pouch, and they come in plastic. They look like old computer parts at first, but you can see the difference here on the nice square edges, and so will your work reflect, you know, how it's been sanded. So it's real simple to do. You just take these, there's only 4 screws here. And I'll get the model of the sander in a minute. I did look it up whenever I ordered the parts, but I have since forgotten that. We just got back from a camping trip, and I didn't do any video, but we did stay in the teardrop camper. Okay, see, it clicks right on there. You can see these little bumps right here, right there. They fit in here and here. We'll just put that on there. And reinstall your fasteners. It's about 100 degrees outside. It's 11 o'clock. So I may be inside today. I don't feel like going out there and cranking up the AC in the garage just to do this one project. So I figured I'd bring it in here. We'll just do it in here in the office. This repair is cheap, quick, and simple, and will affect your work, whatever piece that you're sanding on. I'm going to throw these away, but you might want to save them. But I've had this sander for probably 8 or 9 years, so you'd be waiting a long time to get enough of these to make a little camping stove. And then of course you have to scrape this off, so I'm not going to do it. But there it is. Just only a matter of minutes to get done. And this is, let's see, a BO4556. That's the model number, Makita. Thank you for watching.